Imagine a world where Apple finally joins the foldable phone race, but with a twist. According to renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the highly anticipated iPhone Fold is set to feature Touch ID on the side button, rather than the more advanced Face ID technology that we've come to expect from modern iPhones. This decision has sparked quite a bit of debate among tech enthusiasts. Kuo first mentioned this prediction back in March, and he has now reaffirmed his stance. While some industry insiders speculated that Apple might opt for an in-display ultrasonic Touch ID sensor, Kuo firmly believes this is unlikely. Instead, the iPhone Fold will likely integrate a traditional Touch ID sensor on the side button, a move that might seem unconventional but is driven by practical considerations. The iPhone Fold, a game changer, expected to debut next year as Apple's flagship model. The iPhone Fold is poised to be a premium device with a price tag around $2,000. This hefty price point reflects the cutting-edge technology and innovative design that Apple is bringing to the table. The device is rumored to feature a 5.5-inch external display and a 7.8-inch internal display when unfolded, effectively merging the functionalities of an iPhone and an iPad mini into a single, versatile gadget. Apple's cautious approach to developing a folding phone aligns with its best-not-first strategy. Unlike Samsung, which launched its first foldable phone 7 years ago, Apple has taken its time to ensure that the iPhone Fold meets its high standards. One of the key challenges Apple faced was the visible crease in the unfolded screen, a problem that Samsung reportedly solved to Apple's satisfaction earlier this year. Why Touch ID on the side button? The decision to place Touch ID on the side button rather than incorporating Face ID is rooted in both technical and financial considerations. The true depth camera system required for Face ID is quite bulky, and the iPhone Fold is expected to be only about 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, too thin to accommodate the Face ID module. Additionally, implementing Face ID on both the external and internal displays would significantly increase the cost, making a single Touch ID sensor on the side button a more cost-effective solution. Apple holds patents for embedding both Touch ID and Face ID into the display, leading some to hope that this might be possible for the iPhone Fold. However, Kuo remains skeptical, stating in a recent tweet that he considers it unlikely. This is the part most people miss. Apple's focus on cost efficiency and practical design choices means that a side-button Touch ID is the most logical option. Technical details and accessories. To support the dual display configuration, the iPhone Fold will likely feature twin selfie cameras, one on the external display and another on the internal display. Similarly, 2 rear cameras will be available in both folded and unfolded forms, ensuring consistent performance regardless of how the device is used. If you're eager to get your hands on the iPhone Fold or are looking for compatible accessories, here are a few options to consider. Samsung Galaxy Fold 7. A great alternative if you can't wait for the iPhone Fold. Official Apple Store on Amazon, your go-to source for all things Apple. Banker 511 Nano Pro Ultra Compact iPhone Charger. A compact and powerful charging solution. Spyging MagFit case for iPhone 16e. Adds MagSafe support to your device. Apple MagSafe charger with 25-watt power for iPhone 16 models for fast and efficient charging. Apple 30-watt charger, perfect for powering up your devices quickly. And this is the part most people miss. The iPhone Fold represents a significant step forward in mobile technology, but it also highlights the ongoing debate between innovation and practicality. What do you think? Will the side button Touch ID be a deal breaker? Or are you excited to see what Apple has in store? Share your thoughts in the comments below.